Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not been here before, you are welcome. In today's video, we are going to be creating a very powerful oil that will help stimulate your hair growth. Okay, so in this video we have ginger, moringa, amla powder, and some rose flower and some rosemary leaf. I have already washed and cleaned them, put here on this paper to soak all the water inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all of these two and blend them together. I have a video here where I share with you guys how I create my rosemary and ginger oil. I love that oil. That oil helps so well in my hair growth, repairing my hair damage. And into this video I'm going to show you also how I mix everything together. Here I have my rosemary. I'm going to add everything in my mixer and then blend everything together. But first I'm going to cut up my ginger, the one I'm going to use. As you can see, I'm chopping my ginger, including the back, because it's organic. I've already washed and cleaned everything. Also, the back of your ginger has a good benefit, so you can use that if you want to, or take it out. It's depending on how you want to make your product. So because I'm going to use this to make oil, I'm not going to put water inside, and my blender cannot blend this without nothing inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up my avocado oil all together here and blend everything together. I know you guys will be asking, why blending everything together? I have done this method several times, and I tell you, when you blend everything inside together, you have it so strong. You have that strong and powerful oil for your scalp and hair. Ginger oil is so good. It doesn't only help in promoting your hair growth, but also help when you have headache. You apply a little bit of ginger oil on your head and massage it. It helps a lot. Also, when you have stomach pain and massage it on your stomach, it helps also a lot in reducing pain. Ginger oil has been used for so many years in treating problems like cold, and rosemary is also one of my best plants. I can say it helps in stimulating your hair to grow very fast. It's so good. I love rosemary. And also amla powder has been used in India for so many years. They've used this powder in growing up their hair, and it's full load with a lot of vitamin. So what I'm going to do is just take some tablespoon of my amla powder, add it into that blend, that much. And again, my moringa powder. This powder is so powerful. I don't just use it only in my hair, I eat it as well. Whenever I'm doing smoothie, I add it inside. It's so good. Like, it has a lot of vitamin, has a lot of protein, which promotes your hair growth and also fight against bacteria, and that give it a plus. So we add it inside, that much. And lastly, I'm going to use some of my rose flowers. This flower has a very good aroma, so it's just going to make everything smell very well, and also with his good benefit. So again, I'm going to add my avocado oil. You can use any oil you have at home. Must not be avocado oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, whatever kind of oil you feel like using. So what I'm doing here is just mixing everything together, as you can see. My product keep getting bigger and bigger. I guess the bottle is too small, so I'm just going to transfer everything in this glass In here I have rosemary leaf, so I'm just going to transfer everything together here. And again, I'm going to add more olive oil because that oil was not enough, so I'm just going to add up enough oil for this. You know, like I always said, I don't like frying any of my oil, so again today I will be using double boiling method. I can smell this already. It smells so nice, so good. So I'm going to add some of my rose flower, blended ginger and rosemary oil that smells so powerful. This oil is not, I'm not calling it a magic oil because there is no any magic oil for any hair growth, but this oil stimulates your hair growth, you know, with the ginger inside. You know, put it in your hair, massage it. You can wash it out or leave in, whatever you want to do, however you want to do it. Both ways work. So I'm just going to boil this and leave it for about 2 hours. So this is my pot with water this much. I'm going to put my glass inside and just let it be here for 2 hours. Cook slowly and slowly. So guys, while our oils are cooking, we are going to prepare apple cider rinse. Let me show you how I prepare this rinse. Here is my apple cider. I'm using the one with the mother inside. I use the whole glass. You can use more if you have, but I have only this one. So what I'm going to do is transfer my rosemary leaf inside and also some rose flower, and that's all. Keep it for about 3 to 4 weeks, and anytime you want to wash your hair, you just take 2 tablespoons of this apple cider, mix it with water and rinse up your hair. This rinse is so good. It helps in repairing your scalp. For every issue like dandruff, if you're having scalp issue, this rinse is going to help a lot for that. And also for hair fall, it's going to help to prevent your hair loss and hair fall. So it's a powerful thing to try. Guys, have you ever tried your apple cider rinse like this? Let me know. Just share with me. Let me know if you have ever tried something like this, if you like it or you don't like it. You can put it in your fridge after 3 weeks, but now I'm just going to keep it in the darker area and let all the goodness in rosemary and my rose flower mix up themselves together before using. So guys, this is after 2 hours. What I'm going to do now is to filter the oil, remove everything that is not needed out. What I do is double my cheesecloth like this way, and also like this. Get something and mix all of this oil. It's still hot now. I always filter my oil while it's still hot. And you make sure you press all your oils out. You don't just want to waste any oil. You see, every time I press, something come out. So this is what I'm left with, a clean oil. Smells so good. And this oil, you can use it to do your hair treatment oil. Look, this is the only thing I'm left with, nothing that much. So what I'm going to do now is to add up a bit of my rose flowers, just to give it more powerful aroma. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for your time, for your likes, for your comments. I'll see you in my next video.